During my entrepreneurship and study in hospitality management, I realized how much I enjoy communicating with people and helping them feel welcome. I noticed that I am comfortable handling guests and assisting with their needs, which made me realize that a career in hospitality, especially as a relationist, is the right path for me. I am most proud of finishing my degree in hospitality management because it represents all my hard work and dedication. It matters to me because it shows that I can commit to my goals, and it prepared me to start professional journey with confidence. One challenge I faced was balancing my school requirements and entrepreneurship at the same time. It was stressful at first, but it taught me how to manage my time better and stay organized. I also learned to communicate more clearly with others and ask for help when needed, which helped me more efficiently as part of a team.